Here in this video, we're going to look at how we can pre-record a lecture or presentation using Kaltura Capture in Moodle. Now, the nice thing about recording in Kaltura Capture is that that video that you record will be instantly uploaded to Moodle, and it's really easy to embed that in a course in your Moodle shell. So we're going to come to My Media up at the top here. And once we're in My Media, we're going to come to the Add New option here, where we'll find the Kaltura Capture option. So this is different to other recordings you'll make in Kaltura in that you will download an app to your PC or Mac to actually work with Kaltura Capture. So we're going to download this for Windows. And once that's downloaded, we'll go ahead and install. We'll click through these prompts. Now, depending on whether you're working on your own computer or a college computer, you may need to reach out to IT services to get some instructions on how to install this on your college computer. So we'll click through these next and install, and we'll click finish. So once that's finished installing, we're going to come to our web browser, we'll click back, and we'll come that same add new option and click Kaltura Capture. So now we'll see this option up at the top where essentially we're giving our web browser permission to use Kaltura Capture. So I'm going to check always, and we'll click open. And that will then open up the desktop app, which is linking directly with Moodle as well. And you can see here we've got our screen set up. We can select another screen if we've got a different screen that we want to record from. And then we can also select the camera that we want to record from here as well. So you can see we've got access to the iPhone camera, to the Logitech webcam, and then the built-in camera on my computer. Once we've checked all these, we can also check the audio. So you can see we've got a few different options for the audio. We'll record from the Logitech webcam. And so once that's all set up, it's going to record both these video streams. So we'll click record. And so once everything is rolling here, we'll come back to my course. Now we can record anything that's on screen here. We can record another web page. We could record a PowerPoint presentation that we're working on, or a PDF that we're moving through for a presentation. Perhaps you're delivering your syllabus in a video format and you want to have the PDF open. So all those formats, anything that's showing on screen is now recording within Kaltura Capture. So we can move through our course. We'll do a very short recording here. We can jump in and move to a different page, and then we can come back to the beginning. We'll just do a quick navigation here, come to our announcements, and we're just doing a quick tour of this course within Moodle, and then we'll come back to the home page of the course. And once we've recorded a couple minutes, we'll press stop, and it will ask us if we want to stop this recording. We're going to click yes, stop it. And at this point, Kaltura will now show us a preview of what we recorded, so we can play through that. And now, and we'll also be able to see the navigation that we did on screen. So we have these two video streams, and the nice thing about Kaltura Capture is that within Moodle, students will be able to jump between these two video streams. So we'll pause this, and we'll rename our Kaltura Capture test recording. We can add a description here, and then we can hit save or save and upload. We're going to hit save and upload. And so what that will now do is it will tell us that it's uploading to Moodle, and we now just have to wait for that upload to be completed. The video I've uploaded is pretty short, so it shouldn't take too long to upload. We can see that it's started to upload, and we're at around 71% now. And we get a message, the recording is successfully uploaded. So now if we come back to Moodle and jump into our My Media location, then we'll see the Kaltura Capture test recording has uploaded. We can click on this to preview it. We can see the media is being processed. Now for longer presentation videos or lectures, this can take a while to complete. So if we click here, refresh this. So once the video is finished transcoding, it will start playing back. We can refresh the page to show all the information. And one thing that will also happen here as well is that Kaltura will now add closed captioning to this video. That may take a little longer, but if you look back at your video, it'll have the closed captioning. Now what we can do here is you can see we've got the presentation on the right. Then you can see if we click the toggle, it will toggle between what we're presenting and the video. So we can kind of move between both. We've also got some other view options here as well, where we can view things side by side, or we can view just the full screen without the other video showing. So we'll just toggle between those two. Now students will see these controls as well. And so now you have a version of your video that you can use right away within your course. So if we come back to the course, Then to add this into a page, we're going to first of all turn edit mode on up at the top right, and we'll scroll down a little. We'll add an activity or resource. Now we can add this in a number of different ways. So you can see I've got my Kaltura video resource starred here. We can click on that, and we can click on add media, and it will allow us to browse all the Kaltura videos that we have created. So ones that we've either recorded within a lecture, or Kaltura Capture videos that we've recorded and then uploaded as we've just done. So we'll click embed, and you can see I've got my recording there. We'll call this test recording video, and now we'll hit save and display, and you can see we have that video embedded within our Moodle course. So this will display on your course page as just a link to the video. If we actually want to embed a video within the course page, we can click add an activity or resource, and really in any of our activities or resources we can embed Kaltura videos. So I'm going to show how to do that now. If we go to the text and media area here, the little firework across on the right hand side, if we click that, and we'll embed that same video. So we'll get this little bit of code for our video and the size there, and if we save and return to course, using that text and media area, if we scroll down, you can now see we've got that video embedded right on the main page of the course. So if you're wanting to add content into your courses, you can do it in a couple of different ways, using your Kaltura video recordings or your Kaltura Capture recordings, and embed them in different spots in your course. So I hope that's a good overview of how to record your screen and upload that then for a lecture or presentation into your Moodle course using Kaltura Capture. If you do have any questions, then please do get in touch.